Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Before my videos even got through loading, he cut out the first one, and he noticed that right here um, it didn't cut out this part, and that's a mistake on mine. It doesn't look terrible, and also I've noticed the inside of the B is engraved a little bit, and you don't really want that. And we'll show you what I mean by that. I'm going to take the yellow box trick, and you can see that it's not transparent, so the inside of that B is white or a light gray, so it's going to engrave a little bit. So what I suggest doing is put your nudge distance on like 4 inches. When you grab that, it's going to grab the outside hairline. Then grab this, and you see it's all collected as a group of 15 items. Go to Range, Ungroup, and then you could hit this white and delete it. And now let's bring our yellow box back. And now you can see the yellow, so that will not engrave. Whoop. And then take your yellow box and bring your outline back into there. And then to cut out this part of the A, all you have to do is take your Smart Fill tool. Doesn't really matter what you fill it in with, but we're also going to want a hairline outline. Take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then go No Fill. Now that part of the A will cut out because it's got a hairline around it. I'm not 100% sure because it's actually cutting. Let's back up here. What has happened here is this part of this A is leaking. So let's click on it and move it down past here. Now let's take our Smart Fill tool and fill it in. It's still on that side of the black line. And there's two ways you could do that. Just grab your nodes and just put them on this side. Now this will cut out and it'll look a lot better. So anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.